I really enjoy the Pico experience with a connected tool because it enables the trigger almost for the operator. In some of our more general assembly without connected tooling, we're introducing this new software that has a lot of additional information that's going to be helpful for the operator, but it's also coming in with a negative of now I have to potentially tap a screen, push a foot pedal that I didn't have to do before. So now you're asking me to do something that I don't really want to do. That has been a little bit of a challenge for us. If you're able to connect torque tooling, you're getting another level of quality assurance, and you have that trigger so that you're not asking anything else out of the operator. Sometimes you're giving them a better tool, hopefully, but otherwise they were going to use a tool to potentially put these fasteners together anyway. So instead of using the tool you had, use this other tool, and otherwise it's going to trigger Pico for you and not ask something else out of them. And it's also, again, I keep coming back to it, it's logging the data long-term. If you need any type of backwards traceability and the quality assurance, it's all done for you in one step at Pico. We're utilizing tooling from 3 different manufacturers right now, and we can pick the best tool to fit the application regardless of who the manufacturer is. And we're not stuck with, all right, well, we bought an AIMCO tool over here, or we bought this particular manufacturer of tooling over here. And so Pico has enabled us to, again, pick the best tool for the application. It's all going to interact with Pico, integrate with Pico, and at the end of the day, the user, the operator, the assembler on the floor is only interacting with Pico. And they don't have to, engineering doesn't have to interact with, quality doesn't have to interact with all these other softwares.